This Westin is in the Crown Center area of Kansas City and is actually attached to the Crown Center shopping plaza. It is also near the National World War One Museum and also right across the street from Union Center. You can find rooms for $247 and on up to suites that are over $1,700 per night. Coming into the room, we'll just turn and check out the bathroom. Here it is right here. The flooring looks kind of nice. I'm guessing a faux marble. Light wood stuff over here. There's the mirror that we have. The art. Come over here. Got one of those showers, the rainfall showers with the other nozzle. Pretty, almost deep looking pool. Got a little side space over there for all your amenities. And outside of the bathroom, we got a little nook here for your coffee needs on this nice stand. That's actually quite nice. Then we come into the room. Very light room. Big bed. This is the queen or the king or whatever. One bed. And we got our generic art over there. I'm actually liking the vibes of this room. It's very clean, very airy, spacey. And we got our desk, drawers, and then there's a refrigerator in there. 2 bottles of water, plenty of light. And over here, we do have a great view. Got the World War something memorial right there. That's perfect. Let me come over here. We got some more historic buildings. And then down here, we can see the pool, and it's wintertime, and we got a dude out there enjoying it. Why not? But this is a pretty nice view. I can't complain. It seems that they have a faux. I mean, I guess you can open this maybe. I don't know if this is sliding for real. But I think it might. Yeah, I think it might open. But you got a little spot to hang out in. The Westin and Crown Center in Kansas City. This is where we at.